Let's dive into the steering wheel and center console functions. If you're ready to just get in and drive, no worries. The basics like the start button, accelerator, and park are all set. But if you want to explore the extra features, let's take a closer look. The center console offers switches for different driving modes, hazard lights, quick access to demisting and aircon, and options for blind spot and parking assist. On the steering wheel, the top left button activates the 360-degree camera, perfect for tight spots. Next, there's screen rotation for landscape or portrait views. In the middle, cruise control lets you set and adjust your speed and following distance. On the right, you'll find the phone button for calls and the mic for voice activation. Hold the mic for a few seconds to activate voice assist. Adjust volume, skip media, and use the trip menu button to cycle through trip info, tire pressure, and even your 0 to 100 timer. The steering wheel stalks control the usual functions like wipers and headlights. Set those to A for automatic, and they'll activate as needed.